So what feels like the entire world is down on the Maverick to declare Liverpool champions-elect of this season English Premier League? Who don't want a premature celebration of winning the title? Want us to wear the tag of overwhelming favourites? But let me tell you this. In the words of the current operator of the slot machine, Arne Slot himself, he says no Premier League title is won in November or December. So while Liverpool is in a favourable position, indeed we have our destiny in our own hands. Yes, it is our title to lose. But just a gentle reminder, Liverpool leads Arsenal and Chelsea by 9 points and Man City by 11 points with 25 games and 75 points to play for. So may I beg you, keep your favourite tag to yourself. Yes. Liverpool is simply in a favourable position. Nothing more, nothing less. Stop Pree with success.